Hello, happy to have you here. A quick intro to myself. My name is Sampath Bhargav. I'm a recent computer science graduate from University at Buffalo. This video is especially for UB students, whether you already graduated or you're just starting with UB. So, as you might have already know, that UB is providing space in their servers to create our own personal website. So, in this video, we are going to see how we can use that to create our own personal website. So without getting late, let's get started. If you see here, we are on my desktop right now. To get started, let's see what information the UB is providing us. So if you see here, I got this pulled up already. I'm going to provide you the links in the description. So in order to activate our personal website, you can see here in the getting started section, there's a hyperlink. So let's click on that, and it says turn on off your personal web page, and let's click on that. And it asks for username password. Basically, you just give your UBIT name and password. I'm going to give mine. So here we go. You can see the activate your personal website button. Let's click on that, and now it is available to access for public. So let's see whether it's really on. So this is my the website URL. So basically the buffalo.edu, and you can keep your UBIT name here to access your website. So this is the, we are inside our page. This is the default page that the UB provides. So we're going to rewrite this with our own web page. So in order to do that, let's see what we need to do. So in order to edit the content inside, we need to you can follow all these things, but I'm going to follow using an HTML editor. So it's going to, it's we are on the page right now. See, so we're going to see all the steps now. In order to do that, we need to connect to a UB VPN. So in order to do that, I have this Cisco AnyConnect secure client. So I'm going to use this to connect to the VPN. If you don't have, I'm going to provide links down in the description. So you just please follow it. Even UB is providing this, so it will be easy for you to download and install it. So let's connect it, connect to the VPN, and it asks for the username and password. Let's give our UBIT name and password. So it asks for an input. I'm going to do it as a duo post, and let me authenticate it in my phone right now. Yeah, there you go. I authenticated it. It's connecting to the UB VPN. So now we are connected. So the VPN is needed when you are accessing the server from outside the UB network. Okay, since I'm currently outside the UB network, I'm using the Cisco VPN to connect to the servers. If you are in the campus and you're using the Wi-Fi there, you can directly connect to the. I mean, you don't need VPN. So now I'm going to open the terminal here, and let me zoom in for you guys. And I'm going to going to the server right now. So I'm doing SSH, and I'm giving my UBIT name here. If you see my UBIT name, and here the server name the host name is ubunix.buffalo.edu. So I'm switching to the server, and it asked me the password, and this is again a UBID password. If you see, I'm inside the server right now. So let me do a quick ls to see what is inside here. So you can see there's a folder called public HTML and all the other files. So basically, let me go into this folder, public HTML, and see what we have in there. So we have this index.html file, and let's see what is inside index.html. And I'm using cat command to see what is inside it. So you can see this is the default page basically that UB is providing. So now what we are going to do is we're going to I already have a few files for my own personal website. So I'm going to get all the files here and see whether my website is visible there. Okay, I have my files in my GitHub. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to use Git to get all the files into that folder. Okay. These are the files I have. So you can see the index.html. It is having all the code that's needed, and in the files I have my resume and everything. So I'm going to give the link to the this repository in the description. You can always have access to it. So let's see. Let's create a remote connection to that folder. Okay. I'm going to copy this and then go into the terminal here. So here, in order to get all the files that were in the repository to here, we're going to initialize the empty repository first. Get init that initializes the empty repository, and in order to create a remote connection to the repository, we're going to use get remote add and the URL that we copied previously. So git remote add, we forgot the origin. So let's keep origin here, and then click enter. Now we have this remote connection with repository, and let's see what all files we have here. So we are going to remove index.html from here, and then we're going to get all the files here. So for that we are using git pull origin main. So what it does is it gets all the files to here. Okay, so let's see whether our files were here or not. So you can see all files are here, and even the index.html is here. So let's see whether you can see our page now. I'm refreshing it. So boom, you can see here you can see all the our web page here. Basically you can create in the similar fashion. So now that we have our website up and running, I want to share a few things about updations to the personal websites that UB is going to do on August 27th. They're going to make few changes that were they say that they're going to introduce a a website manager. I think they might be introducing some UI platform to for us to easily change the website. So I just want to share it with you guys. And if you see all these links, you can access your website using all these links. Okay. Thank you for making this far, and I hope this video helped you. And please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, and see you in the next video.